Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Kanha Commerce. In this channel, we are decided to clarify different basic concept of commerce. So in this video, I have decided to study basic concepts of cost accounting related to your council exam for +2 second year commerce. So different aspects of commerce, basically different aspects of cost accounting are to be discussed in this topic. So first point is cost. Cost refers to the expenditure made to make a product, so that the total expenditure utilized for this product is called as cost. So that I have clarified this particular headline cost as anything you have to be expended for purchasing or production of a product is your cost. So that total expenses utilized for getting this product is your cost. Clarify your doubt. Next point is costing. The costing is the technique which have to be applied for getting the cost, so that particular amount of expenses which are to be expended for getting the cost is to be identified in this term. So costing is the technique utilized for ascertainment of cost is called as costing. Understood? Third point, cost accounting. Cost accounting is another one branch of accounting, because accounting are mainly defined as three types. One is financial accounting, another one is cost accounting, third one is management accounting. So that in this cost accounting we have to analyze the cost accounting topic, because the financial accounting and the management accounting we will discuss in these chapters. Okay, so cost accounting describes the process of recording, classifying, summarizing the cost of production of a particular product so that cost determination can be identified easily. Okay, it means the process of recording, classifying and interpreting the cost of production of a particular product. So that the determination of cost can be possible. Understood my point? Next one is cost accountancy. This topic, it includes all the previous three terms, that is cost, costing and a cost accounting. So that the cost structure is to be identified. Basically, the total structure of cost includes total determination of cost, total technique of cost and total expenditure which are to be expended for getting particular product. So all the techniques, all the elements and all the activities of cost are to be included in this cost accountancy. Understood? So cost accounting, cost and cost accountancy both are similar term but different, because cost accounting is a part of cost accountancy, but cost accountancy is a global term. It is not a part of cost same particular cost accounting, but all the costing and cost accounting are to be included in this cost accountancy. Understood? Next, we have to cover different elements of cost. Okay, so elements means types of cost. Basically, costs are two types. One is direct cost, another one is indirect cost. Okay, so different elements are also to be observed in this cost accounting, that is material, labor and expenditure. Basically, for getting a product or for purchasing a product or for manufacturing a product, you have to analyze three important aspects of this product. One is basically the material which are to be expended for getting this product. another one is some amount of labor has been expended, and third one is additional expenses also necessary. So all these three elements such as material, labor and expenditure are very necessary for getting a particular product. So that material may be direct and indirect, labor may be direct and indirect, expenditure may be direct and indirect. What is direct cost? Direct cost means direct material plus direct labor plus direct expenses. Direct cost, another name is prime cost. So that prime cost can be understood from these three items such as direct metal, direct labor and direct expenses. Three items are to be added to get the prime cost. Next one we have to cover indirect cost. Indirect cost means indirect material plus indirect labor plus indirect expenses. Next one is overhead. Overhead is indirect expenses is also called as overhead. Indirect expenses are also called as overhead. Different type of overheads are there. Overheads, different type of overheads are there. First one is factory overheads. Next one is administrative overheads. Next one is selling and distribution overheads. Next one is research overheads. Okay, so what is factory overheads? Factory overheads means any expenses incurred for getting factory cost is called as factory overhead. Any factory expenses such as factory lighting, factory heating, supervisor salary, haulage, motor, power, different factory expenses are called as factory overheads. Similarly, what is administrative overheads? Administrative overhead, another name is or office overheads. Office overheads means different official expenses such as salary, uh, uh, salary, rent, rates, insurance, audit fee, director fee, office stationery, office postage, office lighting, office rent. These are the expenses which are to be calculated as office and administrative overheads. Third one is what is the selling and distribution overhead. The selling expenses such as salesman salary, warehousing charges, delivery van charges, like this. And also research overhead and selling distribution overhead are just like similar, because in cost sheet we have taken three type of overheads. One is factory overheads, another one is office and administrative overheads, and the third last one is all type of, except factory and administrative, all overheads are covered under selling and distribution overhead. Okay, so that these are the overheads. Third one is what is fixed cost. Fixed costs are those costs which are to be expended at a fixed basis. Production happen or does not happen, that not depends on fixed cost. Because in our office, such as office rent, we have to pay rent irrespective of production. Production happen or does not happen, that does not mean that we have to be not pay the office rent. Office insurance or some insurance, the premium have to pay irrespective of insurance, we have to pay insurance. So these are the expenses which are to be expended boundly, so that it is called as fixed cost. Next one is variable cost. These costs are to be utilized in the production when production happen, because if production will be more, then definitely these expenditure will be more. If production will be less, then definitely these expenditure will be less. If there is no production, then there is no variable expenditure. Understood my point? So that production improves, if production improves, then these variable cost will be definitely improved. So that it is called as variable cost. Third one is the example of variable cost are material cost, labor cost. These are the examples. Third one is semi variable cost. Semi variable cost is one type of cost which is partly variable and partly fixed. So that the best example of semi variable cost is advertisement. Advertisement केस में one is partly fixed होता है, another part variable होता है. Okay. In next class we have to cover different costing types. ओके, सो प्लीज़ आप मेरे चैनल को लाइक कीजिए इफ़ पॉसिबल, और इफ़ you are satisfied with my video, then you may like my video, share my video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.